Today we will be studying about one of the hottest and richest nations of the world, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the hot desert located in Southwest Asia. Over the past few years, the country has emerged as one of the wealthiest nations in the world. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in Arabian Peninsula. It is surrounded by the countries Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in the north, the Persian Gulf, Iran, and United Arab Emirates (UAE) in the east. Medina and Riyadh are in the center. There are two large deserts, An-Nafud in the north and Rab al-Khali in the south. Oman and Yemen are in the south. These two countries have Arabian Sea bordering their southern coast. Jeddah and Mecca are important towns, and the Red Sea borders the country in the west. Saudi Arabia is a desert consisting of rocky plateaus and rolling sand dunes. Strong winds shift the sand dunes from one place to another. There are no lakes or permanent rivers in Saudi Arabia. Temporary streams or wadis are formed after the rains. As there are no large water bodies within Arabia or any peninsular river, there is an acute shortage of fresh water in the country. This is a region lying in the tropics and has an extremely hot climate. There is very little rainfall. Many years it does not rain at all. The summer season lasts from May to September. During summers, the weather is very hot and dry during daytime. The nights are comparatively cool. The winter season lasts from October to April. During the winter, the days are warm, while the nights are very cold. Temperature of the coastal regions is mild due to the influence of sea breezes. Sandstorms occur in all seasons. They occur suddenly and reduce the visibility because loose sand and dust fill the air. Do you know, Rab al-Khali, or the Abode of Silence, is the largest area of sand on earth. It covers the area of the Arabian Peninsula that's larger than France, Belgium, and Netherlands combined. It has sand dunes as high as the Eiffel Tower in Paris, rising to more than 300 meters in height and stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Plants which can grow here are those which can withstand the intense heat and dryness. Most of these plants have long roots which penetrate deep into the soil to absorb water. Various types of cacti grow here. Thorns of cacti are actually the modified leaves, and the green portion is the succulent stem. These adaptations of cacti prevent loss of water, help them to survive in hot and dry deserts. There's succulent stems and soft, fleshy roots to store water. Most common animal found here is the camel. It is most aptly called the ship of the desert. It can survive without food and water for many days because the fat stored in its hump gets converted to yield energy and water. Its feet are adapted to walk on sand as the soles are thick and fleshy. The camel is used to carry heavy loads through the burning hot sands by the nomadic tribes who live here.